G'day legends, great to see you. I'm just having a sneaky brew this morning. I'm up nice and early because I couldn't wait to bring you this video. This is what I've been looking to bring since I started the channel and wanted to show you. Actually, you've had a sneaky peek, but actually, what is it?
It's time!
There you go, legends. I've unleashed the beast. As you can see, there's plenty going on. There's also plenty to go. So many things I want to do. I want to share it with you guys. So I'm going to run through everything that's been done so far, and then we'll get a bit of a Beastie's wish list going, and we'll take it from there. Love to see you guys come back. So don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that bell, and we'll see you soon.